Alright, well the pilot's on right now, so if she leaves the pilot going like all winter long,
okay,
then all she's ever got to do is come over and hit this switch, the off-on switch. Just hit it on.
okay.
And it comes right on. Now that's when the pilot's going and it's warm, the unit's warm and everything.
Okay.
If she's coming in lighting it for the first time of the year, and oh yeah, this dial just makes the flame higher and lower. So
okay,
that's pretty self-explanatory. And when the pilot, when you want to leave the pilot in the on position,
okay,
you just leave the arrow pointing it on. The only time it's pointing at pilot is when you're lighting the pilot. So while the pilot light is lit, like right now, it's just in the on position.
So how long have you been warming it up?
It's been warming up for about 5 minutes, I guess.
Okay.
Here we can start it all over from the beginning.
Okay.
If she were turning it on for the very first time, it would be like this in the off position.
Okay.
This switch would be at off. She would turn it to pilot, which you got to push it in and turn it. I want to turn, of course. All right, hang on. I think it's got to click off.
Okay.
You can hear it. It does a loud, like, bang when it cools.
And you can smell the gas.
Ooh. I haven't heard it click yet.
What's gonna click?
You're gonna hear like the unit go bang when it's cool enough to relight.